good morning. It's another day. I'm ready for breakfast. Yan. Mr. is just getting ready. Binook namin yung breakfast namin for 8 o'clock para we will have a lot of time to get ready kasi obviously we're gonna fly back to Manchester. Kasi yung breakfast nila dito is you need to book in advance. Kasi ang ginawa nila is yung table nila is socially distanced. Kaya kailangan mo talagang magpa-schedule ng table. It's for everyone's safety naman. Yung oras ngayon is 7:42 na ng umaga. Let's go, mister!
Where are you going?
Here. To the lift.
Somebody's house.
They do that because just in case of fire. Dito mga palangga, yung policy nila, if you're gonna go out in your room, you need to wear a mask. Are you happy with your table?
Yeah, I can look out to see what's going on.
Yeah, this is our
Got a nice
view.
view of concrete.
So, binigyan nila kami ng menu, breakfast menu. Ito. Obviously, yung kukunin namin is the full English breakfast.
Wonder what's down there.
And nag-order din kami ng juice. Cheers! Naghihintay lang kami sa aming kape. Coffee is here. Coffee is life. But for Mr. Rice is life. No.
My wife is my life.
Ah. Breakfast is here. Our toast. Mr. is eating. He's hungry.
Later.
Bye, hotel room. We're going. We're going for checkout. Yep. The door is quite heavy.
Yeah.
Going down. See? Dora the Explorer. Gala-gala lang tayo. Meron silang McDonald's and meron Chinatown doon. Let's check.
Yeah, I do want to go down to the embankment, so
Let's just have a look here.
yeah, we'll just go up here. See, look at all
Uy, ang lalaki ng building. W. What's that mean?
W London.
W London. Bye! Bye Chinatown! Nagpicture lang talaga kami and yun na, alis na. Is that Mary Poppins? Hello! Hello there! I need my sunnies. Meron akong na-meet ng Filipina. She's so excited. I forgot to ask her name. I'm so sorry. But if you are watching, hello! Nice to meet you.
Just say you met in Leicester Square.
Yeah.
Jackie on.
OMG, nakita ko na din in person tong London Eye. We need to take a picture, sweetheart. New Scotland Yard. Ito yung nakikita ko sa TV. Pag may news. Hala, it's very unreal. Right, mister. Lead the way, please. Where are we going? Yeah, there's a lot of boats.
That wheel's not open, is it?
Not at this time.
Oh,
You need to be a reporter,
No, no,
sweetheart. And be my tour guide and tell everything what you know about London.
I know nothing.
You know nothing.
I know nothing. I
You
know that
only know the
we're on the
Big Ben.
We're walking along the embankment
Yeah,
towards Westminster Bridge.
that's the one, isn't it?
Yeah, that's Westminster Bridge. This is the Westminster buildings. We'll go up onto the bridge and walk along the bridge a bit.
Okay, we will.
Big Ben, Ben's up above.
Yeah, that's the Big Ben. The Big Ben is under construction.
Well,
It
I
looks
do-
like it because there's a lot of
It's been for
scaffolding.
quite a few years now. So.
Is it?
Yeah.
What's the matter with it
Well,
anyway?
just because they get weathered and that, and they do repairs. So that's underground there, look here.
Oh yeah, underground. Kaya pala, maraming tao na in and out dito. Souvenirs.
Underground there.
This is the Big Ben. Ito yung malapitan ng Big Ben. Walk on the left. Okay, we will go walk on the left. 360 tayo.
You can do it.
We're walking back.
Got a drink?
Yes, please. We're just having a rest.
Here you go.
And our view is here. Nandito tayo ulit. Yan. Susulitin na natin yung view kasi uuwi na tayo. Meron lang kaming titingnan na hotel. Yung hotel is same branch siya sa hotel na pinagstihan namin. Tingnan lang namin kung okay ba. Nahanap namin yung hotel and it looks okay naman. I would say na I'm more pleased kung saan kami nag-i-stay. I'm asking John what's the history of this one. Icing on top and cherry on top. And there's a fly. We're gonna go McDonald's to get a coffee or a drink or something. I can see the sign of McDonald's. Papunta kami sa McDonald's kasi compare sa mga tindahan dito, yung McDonald's medyo mura. Dito lang kami. Ito yung view namin. And we're just having a drink.
We're in Leicester Square.
Yeah. I am gutted. Na-discover lang namin na meron pala ditong Jollibee malapit dito. Tingnan niyo ha. Ito.
Can you see from there? No.
Just a little, yeah. Jollibee. So we will go there for lunch later. Yes!
We'll take it to the airport with it. Oh, we can't, can we?
No, we'll have a lunch. I'm going to get my Jollibee. So I'll gonna leave John here so that he can save our seats.
All good. Filming.
Bye. I'm smiling.
Have you been somewhere special?
Finally, meron na tayong Jollibee.
What's this? That's yours, obviously.
Oh, no, that's yours.
What mine was it?
That's a chicken burger. Ito yung chicken joy and spaghetti, burger. Kakain lang muna ako, ha? Chicken joy. Ang pinakahihintay ko. Last stroll in London for the day before going back home. And shout out to you, Jessie. Hello, John.
We met
Jessie.
Jessie in
And
Leicester
Ron.
Square.
Yeah. And shout out sa mga Filipino. Shout out sa mga Filipino na meet ko noong pumunta ako sa Philippine Embassy. So, hi Hazel, hi Christine. Nice to meet you all. Salamat talaga. Ang babait nila. So, yeah. That's it. That's what made special to our trip. Meeting kababayan sa our kababayan. My kababayan.
Yeah. Well, there you go.
We're heading back to Philippine Embassy kasi yung taxi namin, doon namin nilagay yung pick up address. Let's see if yung embassy busy ba. As usual, it's very busy. Tingnan nyo. There, very busy. Nandito na kami sa airport. Magto-toilet lang kami.
Just go to McDonald's. No, we'll go to Starbucks, shall we?
Nagtitingin-tingin ako dito sa mga ano dito. Mga brand. Hindi man ako makarelate sa brand kasi sobrang mga high-end nila. Hindi ko afford. Yung oras ngayon is 1:06 na ng hapon and yung flight namin is 3:30 pa. So there's plenty of time to roam around the airport. Pero nung naglakad-lakad kami kanina, nakita nyo naman siguro na sus nako, yung mga brand hindi ko afford. Nahiya ako. Nahina yung tuhod ko. So anyway, dito lang kami tambay-tambay. We're having a coffee. Well, Jan is having coffee and I'm having orange juice. Boarding na kami. Bye, London. You need to say bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye, London. See you again. Oh, sorry. Thank you. This way.
And storing your luggage for takeoff and landing. Take care your device does not go lost within your seat. If it does, please don't move it.
Go down there.
Nandito na kami sa Manchester. Oh yeah, we got a different table. Napansin lang namin na iba yung table nila. We're just walking towards to the car park. Yung car park namin nandoon. Mga 10 minutes walk. Finally, we're here inside the car. Hang on, please. I'm not ready.
I'm not ready, Daddy. I need to start and fire everything up.
I know. Right, we're going home. I'm tired. Nearly home. We're just stopping in McDonald's to have...
Because we're hungry. We've had such a delay with our flight as well. We should have been home quite a while ago, but now it's 6:45, so we decided we'd just pop in at McDonald's and just grab a bite to eat here rather than have to start cooking when we get home. And that is it, really. So
Yep.
I'm going to enjoy. So I'm hungry.
I'm hungry as well. So I've ordered a Big Mac and milkshake, strawberry milkshake, and Jan ordered a quarter pounder.
And a banana milkshake.
And yun.
Banana. Big Mac, Little Mac.
Ito. How's your banana milkshake?
Don't know. We'll find out. Tastes like banana, I hope.
Can I try? Can I please try? Be careful. The cheese is dripping on the side. Your pants will be...
Don't say, oh, I like that better.
No, I would like my thingy. My strawberry milkshake. Kasi nung pumunta kami sa McDonald's, nag-order ako ng strawberry milkshake and it was good. Need to show them what you've got.
Cheese. It's a double quarter pounder. Half a pounder.
Double. Yeah.
I'm hungry.
Oh, look! In the middle, there's
Yeah,
another...
there is a Big Mac.
Oh, I did not realize. In the middle, there's a bun as well. I see. Mmm. What is that? Why did they do that to the Big Mac?
Well, it's just the design of it, wasn't it? How they did it. Special chicken select.
You have to.
No, you have to.
No, I got a big meal, hon. We are home!
We are
Finally!
home.
It's such...
We're home and look at us. We've got the London Mac.
It's nice to be home, honeybee, isn't it?
Yes, it is, darling.
Yeah.
It's nice to be home.
And dito ko na rin i-end yung London journey namin ni Mr. Yung pag-renew namin ng passport. And I would like to say thank you sa mga kababayan ko na naka-recognize sa akin, sa amin ni Mr. Thank you for saying hi. Si Christine, Hazel, and yung mga kasamahan ni Christine and ni Hazel. Maraming salamat talaga. Ang babait nila. And si Mr. Are you adding something, Mr.?
Well, we did meet a gentleman and his good lady.
Come here, you're against the light.
Well,
Yeah.
we did with this morning. We met two lots of people. There was a young lady.
A couple, yeah.
Yeah, a young lady and I presume was husband, but I'm not sure. They were from Grantham. And the crazy thing is, we took a photo and we never got the name.
Yeah, it's
So
just...
if you do see this video, right, please message us with your name, say that you met us in Leicester Square.
And yeah, thank you. Nice to meet you.
Thanks for saying hi, that was brilliant. And also the other gentleman we met, what was he called?
Jesse.
Jesse,
Yeah.
yes. Hi, he's been watching me doing the games. So, anyway, thanks Jesse for recognising us, and I hope your photos and that were okay. And you know, by all means, messages.
Yeah.
So, and tell us a little bit more about yourself, because end of the day, I didn't know whether that was your wife, your partner who was with you. Probably looking at her, she was so young, she's probably your daughter, but you never know. I would have been complimentary. And so, you know, by all means, drop us another line and let us know.
Yeah.
And thanks for saying hi. It was nice, pleasant
Yeah,
surprise.
and this is it. I mean, you know, it's like, I don't know how to feel when some people recognize us and then they're saying hi, take a picture, and then I
It's
just don't...
absolutely fine.
Yeah, I just don't know how to react. Sometimes I forget to ask their name.
She's starstruck, that's what it is.
So, pagpasensyahan niyo na talaga if minsan kung mag-say hi kayo sa akin, hindi ko natatanong yung pangalan niyo kasi ewan ko ba, kasi nakakalimutan ko lang talaga and parang nahihiya kasi din ako. So, maraming salamat talaga ulit sa inyo sa pag-say hi. Yes, please. He's asking if I want coffee. I miss his coffee. And gusto ko ding mag-shout out kay Kuya Jess Lechon. Meron siyang channel. Ilalagay ko yung channel niya dito. Please subscribe. And yeah, such a journey. And the highlight of the journey is to meet my countrymen. And it's just a nice feeling really. Kasi dito kasi sa amin, wala ako masyadong nami-meet kasi of course countryside. Whereas in London, there's a lot of Filipino out there and they are very friendly. So thank you, and this is it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next vlog, and bye! Bye, mister! Bye! Magpapahinga lang kami, and yeah, see you in my next vlog.